In this video, I will show you how to make these indicator lights. Here I used many easy and simple tricks that you all can use. This is a normal LED light. If I power this light, it will give us green and red color, as you can see. If we hide this green color, then there only remains the red color, and that will be an indicator. So we have to color this light for hiding the green color. This light has no color. So at first we have to color it as red. So we are coloring this bulb as red. After drying this red color, we have to color it yellow. After drying this yellow color, we have to color it red again. After drying this color, we will check our indicator. This is a normal mobile phone battery for powering my indicator. This is, as you see, the green color is hide fully. For the red and yellow color, the green color is hide automatically. There only remains the red color, as it behaving as the indicator light. This we all can use on our RC cars.